Hi, it's Lena Gordon, broker of record with Remax Gordon Group Realty, and today we're going to talk about the stats from Toronto Real Estate Board for March 2024. And as usual, let's start from the economic indicators. As you can see, the real GDP growth is up, Toronto employment growth is up, Toronto unemployment rate is up, inflation is actually down. It's February 2024, it's 2.8%. It's a good result considering that December 2023 it was 3.4%. So we're getting closer to the target bank rate of 2%. And the Bank of Canada overnight rate as a result stay unchanged for the last 4 months, and in March 2024 it was a 5%. Prime rate in the major banks in March 2024 is 7.2%, and mortgage rates it's 784, 699, 684. My clients getting fixed rate at 525, 489. Next is total residential transaction. We sold actually 4.5% less in March this year to compare to the March last year. And if we see seasonal adjustments, March to this year to February this year, we sold 1.1% less. Average selling price, we are up by 1.3% in March this year to compare to the last year. And even though we have more inventory, I will show you, it's my next slide. So average selling price is getting up, and if you look on the seasonally adjustments, March 2024 to compare to February, the price is up by 0.7%. So it's the biggest chunk from year to year increase. New listings, we have a 15.1% more new listings, but as you saw from my previous slide, that the price is still actually up by 1.3%. That shows that the inventory getting absorbed even though we have more new listings. That means that buyers getting more confident and they're more adjusted to the higher mortgage rate, and they start to buy and create the competition, and the price is start to go up. If you look at the sales to new listing ratio, so we are down by 10% in March this year to compare to March last year. And sales to new listing ratio shows us what market we are. Up to 40% we are on the buyer's market, 40 to 60% we are on the balance market, and 60 and up percent we are on seller's market. So we can see now we are at 50%, we are on the balanced market. Days on the market are up by 7.4% in March this year to compare to March last year, because we have more new listings, 15.5% more new listings coming to the market. So we have more inventory and it's taking more time to sell. Now it's around 29 days to sell the property in average. And next, my favorite slide, sales and average price by major home type. And as you can see, in these months we didn't have any drastic changes to compare to different areas and different types. And detached properties in 416 area, they're up by 0.4% to compare to the last year. 905 area, we are minus 0.1% to compare to the March last year. It's not a big change. The better result shows semi-detached properties. So there are 3% for 416 area and 2.3% for 905 area, because there are more cheaper properties than detached houses, and we still have some problem with affordability and stress test. So to get approved for the cheaper property, it's always easier. That's why we have more competition for this type of property. Townhouse and 416 area is up by 2.7%, and in 905 area it's by 0.1%. And condo apartments, we don't have a big changes to the last year. It's like 416 area, we are 0.5% negative. So we are minus 0.5%, and for 905 area, we 0.3% up for the price to compare to the March last year. To summarize everything, I want to say is actually the market is getting better because inflation is down. It's 2.8% in February this year to compare to 3.4% in December last year. And saying this, buyers get more confident. Even though we have more new listings coming to the market, the price still going up because we have a competition. Sometimes we have a multiple offer situation for different areas and different type of the properties. And overall, actually, it's looking good. The prices will go up. I don't think they will go over the roof because we still have affordability issues, because you have to be approved for the stress test and it's still high. The year started good and we expect it to be a good year. If you want to know about your area, give me a call. We'll do free home evaluation and we check everything in your area. If you like our video, please click the like and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in a month for another market update.